Condonation or remission of the debt. Article 1270. Condonation or remission is essentially gratuitous and requires the acceptance by the obligor. It may be made expressly or impliedly. One and the other kind shall be subject to the rules which govern inefficacious donations. Express donation shall, furthermore, comply with the forms of donation. Article 1271. The delivery of a private document evidencing credit made voluntarily by the creditor to the debtor implies the renunciation of the action which the former had against the latter. In order to nullify this waiver, it should be claimed to be inefficacious. The debtor and his heirs may uphold it by proving that the delivery of the document was made in virtue of payment of the debt. Article 1272. Whenever the private document in which the debt appears is found in the possession of the debtor, it shall be presumed that the creditor delivered it voluntarily, unless the contrary is proved. Article 1273. The renunciation of the principal debt shall extinguish the accessory obligations, but the waiver of the latter shall leave the former in force. Article 1274. It is presumed that the accessory obligation of pledge shall be remitted when the thing pledged, after its delivery to the creditor, is found in the possession of the debtor or a third person who owns the thing. Confusion or merger of rights. Article 1275. The obligation is extinguished from the time the characters of debtor and creditor are merged in the same person. Article 1276. Merger which takes place in the person of the principal debtor or creditor benefits the guarantors. Confusion which takes place in the person of any of the latter does not extinguish the obligation. Article 1277. Confusion does not extinguish a joint obligation, except as regards the share corresponding to the debtor or creditor in whom the two characters concur.